It started off as just a vision from this plane sitting in the front foyer. It was originally yellow and white, and then it came to the automotive shop here at Montcalm.
My favorite part would probably be actually seeing the vision come together.
My favorite part of the project was when I was taking apart and drilling out rivets on the tail of the plane and then pressing it and putting new rivets back in so then it would form better to the scale and where it is now.
Shows what we can do here at Montcalm. And you're the new generation.
Let's keep the momentum going. Let's keep pushing ourselves, supporting each other, and staying curious.